What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2016 Harley Davidson Fat Bob. Take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Let's just jump right into it. Start here in the back. See that rear tire? Got tons of tread left on there. I mean, this thing has like 500 and some miles on it, so I'm pretty sure everything is factory on the tires. There's that. Of course, you have your license plate holder. There's two turn signals. Got your tail light there. It's all kind of self-explanatory, but there is all of that. Jumping up on top, you can see everything's pretty nice right there. Got no marks that I really want to point out there. There's the side of your turn signal. It does have these Harley Davidson leather bags, the Velcro. There you can see the inside of them. And they snap down too. That. Of course, you have your rear suspension here. Got your battery cover, got your passenger peg, got your rider peg, got your rear brake. You can see it has the Vance & Hines exhaust there. All that is looking good. Sounds good too. We'll hear it here towards the end of the video. Of course, it has the 103 there, as it says on the air cleaner. There's the motor. Jumping up here, you can see the side of the tank. Get some light little like swirls in here. I'm not sure what would have caused that, but they are there. Other than that, the tank looks to be in really nice shape. Of course, you have your Harley Davidson there on the side of the tank. There you can see the side of the wheel. Got that black wheel in there. Got your front brake. Got your fork tubes. They're looking to be in nice shape, upper and lower. Around. See, it has that the Fat Bob, the dual headlight. You got your turn signals up here under the handlebars, and you got your mirrors up on top. Let's do the fork tubes on this side. Upper and lower are in good shape. There is the front brake on that side and that front wheel from this side. Front tires, like about the same as the back tire. Tons of life left on it. You can still see it's still got some of the tabs on there. On this front fender, I think this is just a little mark that's gonna come off. Yeah, it is. So that's that. Front fender's looking good. Spin it around. Here on this side, we can start up here on the tank. See, the tank is in nice shape. Again, got a little bit of those light swirls in the clear coat. Not really sure what caused that. They're on both sides. There's the motor. You see a bad horn cover. Got your rider peg, shifter, passenger peg. Obviously, you have your transmission here. You can see the belt in here. There's the chrome belt guard going back there to the rear wheel. All that stuff's in nice shape. That rear suspension. There's the bag on this side, same as the other side. That Velcro. There's that. There we go. We already saw the back. Coming up over, we got the passenger seat here. It's a pretty firm passenger seat. Pushing into it, but it's in nice shape. Got no tears or rips or anything. Same thing here with the main rider seat. Again, nice rider seat. All the seams are really good. I got no tears, no holes, nothing like that. There's that. Come up over the tank. Let's have the ignition, have the gauges, the clutch up here with controls, throttle controls, front brake. Turn this thing on. I said 500 miles, 595, so it has almost 600 miles. Which is like nothing. One cool thing that I wanted to show you, which I noticed, was you hit this button right here where my thumb is at. And so I go through the display, which I know people know this, but the range, the time, it does have a gear indicator, which is nice. Nice feature. Let's fire this thing up. this side. Rear signal there. And rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2016 Harley Davidson Fat Bob. It's got like 600 miles on it. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube and check out the bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.